Hi guys, good morning. And today, rest day ko nga. And napagplanuhan ko at napag-isipan kong i-share kung paano ba ako nag-start mag-apply here in Singapore. So this video is not only for Singapore hopefuls but also for everyone from the Philippines na gustong mag-abroad. So, did you know guys na we could apply abroad in the comforts of our home? Hindi na natin kailangan lumabas pa ng bahay, pumunta doon sa mga agencies in person and papawisan ka, gagastos ka ng pamasahe, mapapagod ka, kakain ka sa labas. So, ang daming cons ng ganong type ng pag-a-apply. Pero as of now, high-tech na tayo and I'll show you guys kung anong mga kailangan mo para di ka na mapagod sa pag-a-apply abroad. First, you should have your laptop with you or mobile phone. Second, you should have your internet connection. A decent internet connection will do. And the most important thing is your willingness to apply, and kung desidido ka na at curious kang mag-apply, gawin mo na. Sabi nga nila, kapag nakasumpong ka ng mabuti, gawin mo agad. And ito, maybe this video is your sign na kailangan mo na mag-apply and go out of the box na mag-abroad. So, I'll show you how guys, and stay tuned. So first, open a browser. It could be Google Chrome or any browser that you like. And then at the address bar, just type www.workabroad.ph/candidate/login. Then you can log in via Facebook or your email, or if you don't have the account yet, you can sign up. Click sign up. So since we have already an account, just click login. So now we're at the dashboard of the Work Abroad PH. The first thing that you have to do is to click your profile at the right topmost corner and then click the online resume. Here, you can attach your resume just by clicking the attach resume icon. So here, I attach already my resume. Then after that, your resume photo, you should also upload by clicking the change profile picture. So guys, it is important that your profile picture should be in formal attire and not in casual or colorful attires. Your profile picture should have a white background, and don't forget to smile also. Do not crop from goofies or from selfies. That's a big no-no guys. Then for personal information, everything is just like a Facebook. It is very important that your contact details are updated as well, are active. Your work experience, your educational attainment, your licenses and certifications, your government documents, the trainings and seminars, and other additional information such as skills and languages, the character references. And then once everything about you is updated already, you are now ready to apply. Just click the search button at the left panel, left side of your screen, and then search jobs. Then in the keywords, I put nurse because I'm a nurse. Then for preferred country, any country that you like. For me, Singapore, for example. And then your specialization, I'm a medical professional, so medical nurse, then just click search. After that, everything or every agencies that has job openings will pop out. So we have 32 jobs for the nurses in Singapore. For example, we just have to click the title, staff nurse or enrolled nurse for Singapore, and then just read the job description. It is very important to read the job description because you'll know what kind of job are you applying for, and also the qualifications. If your credentials are already meet the qualifications, you can apply right away. Then just apply. If you have a friend that you think is capable or qualified for this position, you can also share to them by clicking the refer to a friend. Then if you want to just spend or siguro tomorrow ka pa mag-apply, just save the job and it will go to your inbox, or you'll be in a bookmark, or just bookmark this job. So then after that, just wait and that's it. Nakapag-apply ka na. Search another job, search another country that you preferred, and the agencies will just contact you shortly. So yun guys, ganun lang kadali na mag-apply sa workabroad.ph using your laptop and internet connection. So ano pang hinihintay nyo? Kung may plano kayong mag-apply, mag-browse na kayo para malaman nyo kung ano yung mga requirements and qualifications. Kung kulang pa kayo sa experience, at least you know when are you going to apply. And yun, kailangan nyo lang maging vigilant and mag-research kung ano ba yung mga kailangan. And if ever naman na nag-apply na kayo and for about 3 months wala pang kumakontak sa inyo, maybe you have to apply more, or you just have to improve your credentials as well. So ganun lang naman siya kadali guys, and sana may natutunan kayo dito sa video na to. And sana po wag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe para gumawa pa ako ng maraming videos, tutorials. Actually simula pa lang to, this is just the start of making some tutorial videos na sana makatulong dun sa mga aspiring na gustong maging OFW. Ayan guys, malay nyo, pag nag-try kayo ngayon, today, inayos nyo yung resume nyo, pinaganda nyo yung profile nyo sa work abroad, then nag-apply na kayo, then after 1 week or 2 weeks, may kumontak sa inyo, and after 3 months to 6 months, paalis na kayo. Ganun lang yung kabilis guys. So, sabi nga nila, pag nakasumpong ka ng mabuti, gawin mo agad kasi baka makalimutan mo pa yan eh. So gawin mo na ngayon. Kung may target mo talaga mag-abroad, go lang, gawin mo lang, and kayang-kaya mo yan. Kasi kung di mo sisimulan, wala ka matatapos. Kung ano ka, hesitant ka, convince mo yung sarili mo, kasi the end of the day, sarili mo ang mag-aangat sa'yo. Yun lang guys, and good luck sa journey mo na mag-abroad. And sana magdasal ka lang kay God na sana i-bless ka niya, and yung mga pangarap mo ay matupad mo rin. Ayan. Yun lang guys, have a great day po, and see you again on my next vlog.